All right. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to talk about if you're in the market and you're looking for a Tesla, and if you want to know the car that you're looking at, like if it has paid for self-driving, right, or not. A lot of times, some of the sellers they don't list all the information that you needed, so then you need to go back and forth with the seller, asking a lot of questions. If they just post one of the page where it shows the information, then you don't have to ask a lot of questions, right? But throughout the years, Tesla made a lot of changes due to regulations. They changed the terms. For example, autopilot. Now it's a auto steer or a city cruise or something in that matter, because due to the legality of certain states that forbidden them to have those kind of wording, right? So that is just what video is about. So if that's something that you're looking for Tesla, you want to know if it has FSD, so stay tuned and I'll talk more about it and I'll show you where and what to look for, right? And what we're looking at right now is the Tesla website. And as you can see right here, this is a brand new vehicle and you don't see anywhere with autopilot, auto steer, none of those. It's been removed. It does shows here that 1 month of full self-driving. So what Elon is trying to do is he's trying to fulfill his package where he has to get like millions of subscribers, right? So that's one of the reasons why he eliminated the 8,000 paid off full self-driving. So now if you really like FSD, and now Tesla actually promoting FSD, so and it's great, right? So if you want it, you got to subscribe, right? So it's been like that for the last couple of years, 5-6 years. Every company, they want residual income. They want you to continue to pay. Microsoft does it. Everybody does it, right? So why not Tesla? So going back over here, you see that they remove it. So you get 1 month. This is the rear wheel drive. This is the cheapest car you can get. And as right now, the promotion, it's 0% APR. And it's not going to last long, right? So if you're looking for a car, you want a Tesla, maybe there's a time to do it, right? But I want to go into used car as well too, so that way I can show it to you. All right, so this one, you can see this is 2020. This is a all-wheel drive performance. You can see we know the performance because it has the red calipers right there, and it has auto steer right here. Excuse me. And now Tesla actually changed it to if you have the latest one, it's going to show you traffic aware cruise control with auto steer. So basically what it does is just like a cruise control. It doesn't change lane. It stays in the lane and it keep up with the traffic ahead of. That's it. And it shows here you get 3 free months of free supercharging, and you also get 3 free months of full self-driving supervised trial, right? So again, Tesla really want everybody to get a chance to try out FSD, because FSD is great. You know, if you've never tried one, you should try one. Tesla, you can go book a demo at any Tesla center. They'll let you do it. The last time I did it, I forgot which one. I think it was a Model Y. They actually had me do a 24 hours test drive, right? So really nice. I'm pretty sure if you test drive a Tesla, you're gonna like it, you're gonna buy it, right? But as you can see, many different used vehicles. You can some of these vehicles are like close to 100,000 miles already. So I don't know, it depends on you, what your budgets are, whatever suits you best. But one more thing, for example, if you buy a Tesla, or if the original Tesla comes with FSD, right, and once the customer is selling it back to Tesla, Tesla will strip the FSD and then put it back on their used inventory or pre-owned inventory. And that Tesla now does not come with FSD. So think about that. Anytime if you're buying a used Tesla from Tesla.com, it will not come with FSD. Even though the original sticker had it, it now doesn't. However, if you're buying it from a third party, dealer or individual sales, then the full self-driving stays with the car, right? So let's here I'm going to show you some of the marketing ads that I want you to see, right? So this one, it's on Facebook. You're looking at the Model 3 long-range dual motor. This one has 46,662 miles. And here, the seller is great. They list everything that you need to know about the car itself. Now Tesla changed it to AI computer, full self-driving computer 4. This is very critical. So not too many people or not too many cars come with computer 4 or HW4 or AI4, right? So most of them are 3. Tesla started rolling out hardware for, I think, mid 2023 models, right? So some model of 2023 have the hardware 4 and some don't, right? And then here you can see specifically full self-driving capability included package. This is very critical. Sometimes you don't, this means that this vehicle has full self-driving and it is the latest hardware on the market, AI4, right? Any other thing other than full self-driving capability, if they don't have the word capability, then it's not, right? And or underneath here, if it shows you that it has an expiration date, that means they're paying monthly, which is fine. Like some people would prefer to pay monthly, and you know, that's up to them. But if you can find a vehicle that is paid out straightforward of the full self-driving, was like $8,000, that's the icing on the cake, right? So let's just show you another one. This one, I'm sorry, but I can't zoom it in any further. This one is from CarMax, and I'm really happy to see CarMax actually putting this page on, because a lot, like 99% of the cars that I viewed on CarMax, they don't have this page, right? But this one, they do have it, but it's really far away. I try to zoom in, but I can't. It doesn't go. But look at this one right here. This is a Model S Plaid. And it has like about, I don't know, 54,000 miles. And it shows right here, AI Computer 3, right? So it is one generation older. And it also has full self-driving capability included package, right? So this car here, this from CarMax, it does include it, which is awesome. Very nice. If you're in the market and you want to make sure, and sometimes if you live close to CarMax, I would go there, do a demo, take a look at it, look at the screen yourself, just to confirm, right? But like I said, 99% of the time, CarMax don't post this page. So it's really hard for you. You would have to do email back and forth. You got to call them and to confirm, right? Because to some people, full self-driving is really important, right? Let me show you another one. So this one, I know I'm not sure if you can see it pretty well. This is a Model 3. This is a performance model, of course. Maybe what, like under 20,000 miles, somewhere in that ballpark. And it does have an AI Computer 4. But look on the bottom, right below it. It said traffic aware cruise control and auto steer included. So basically this one, it does not have paid full self-driving. It just have basic cruise control. That's what it is. It doesn't change lanes for you. It doesn't start from beginning to the end. This one, and if this one, the fact that it has AI Computer 4, that means you can subscribe and then you can drive the latest one. But then you're going to end up paying $100 plus tax, about $110, more or less, depending on where you're at with the taxes. But see, these are all the pictures. Like I said, not all of the sellers out there are willing to go and post this picture. I don't know if they know about this. Maybe they don't. But as a buyer, we want to know what kind of computer, what kind of hardware comes with the car, so that way we can make decisions, right? Elon mentioned that, okay, you know what? We're going to build a little center and we're going to upgrade all of your hardware 3 cars. to make it, run on the latest version. But I don't know how accurate or when the implementations will be, or I don't even know if it's going to be if it's going to make sense, right? That's why right now you're going to sometimes Tesla might just do something like, okay, you know what, we're going to give you a discount. The fact that you have paid the full self drivings already, now we are going to give you the discount of 8,000, 10,000, 12,000 if you get a new car that comes with a newer hardware. They might go down that path. Who knows? But hopefully, I don't know. Right now, to be honest with you guys, I'm looking to sell my Model Y, and I want to get into. I'm looking for a car that has full self driving, and I've been looking pretty hard, right? And if you watch my latest, a couple of my latest video, you're gonna see, going through a lot of hoops because some of the sellers, like I said, they might not know about the whole thing. They're not posting it, so got to make a lot of phone call. I did a long drive way to CarMax, right? And as a matter of fact, that car is funny. I just looked it up recently, and for some reason, they relocated that a Model Y launch series to the CarMax in Ontario, and I just got a notification that it was sold. So I guess someone bought it, but I would have bought that one if it wasn't for the stupid debt, right? So, and also the accident on the Carfax report. One of the things I want to tell you guys, if some of the companies when they run it, I think CarMax, they don't use Carfax, they use Experian. So I think they use Experian, and Experian didn't show the accident. It shows everything's nice, clean, and clear. But when I ran it with Carfax, it did show that it did have an accident. So, and it was a minor one too. So, but there's our websites out there that if you pay, they can run the VIN number for you, and then they'll tell you everything that the cars come with, right? So, all the hardware, the software, the motors, everything, but you have to pay for that service. And if you want that website, you can just ask me, send me a message or leave a comment, and I'll send it, I'll give it to you. But yeah, that's pretty much for this video, guys. I want to say thank you to Michelle for using the referral code to make a purchase on her latest the Model 3. Thank you very much once again. And if you use my referral link, you get a 3 months of full self driving. All right. So other than that, thank you for watching. Be safe. Until next time.